YouTube. Welcome back to another day in the house money investing series. If you're new to the channel, what I basically do is deploy capital into the market, give it about 30 to 90 days, pull out my capital, leave my gain in the market. Over the past 6 months, I've accumulated over $12,000 worth of gains that I have in the market, which I consider free shares. Zero risk beyond that point, and that's what I call house money, and that's my strategy I'm using. In today's video, I'm going to go over 3 stocks that I just bought to swing trade, as well as some stock picks, some stock news, and some gains that I made today. So let's jump right into it. You can see the first one here is Grow Generation, GRWG. I do own some fractional shares in this company, and I'm up pretty good. This just hit an all week 52-week high here today, earlier this morning. So in the pre-market, it hit the 52-week high. So that's just something that you should keep an eye on. This is a great MJ stock, and it's one I believe in for the long term. So of course, that's why I swing trade it, and I invest in it and hold it for the long term. Next we have Triple Q. It also hit a 52-week high this morning in the pre-market. I do own a bunch of fractional shares of this as well, and it's something I'm going to continue to swing trade. You can check it out, Triple Q. Take a look into it. It's power shares. Very good stock here. Then you got Atvi. It hit its 52-week high today as well in the pre-market. This is also a stock that I own several fractional shares in the different brokerages, and this thing just kind of went to the moon. We'll see how it goes from here. Take a look at Atvi, and it's one I'm going to continue to trade. Then we have JUNG. This is the gold miners. This will give you some exposure to the precious metal section, and this is just something I posted, to let people know this. This is some gold. You need to, get your gold, jump on it. It was up big in the pre-market, pretty good, 5%. It's something I own as well already, and it's something I'll continue to swing trade. And I just recently added it back to my watch list. Then we have VEA. This is also something I swing trade quite often. It hit its 52-week high this morning during pre-market, and this is a good Vanguard ETF. So take a look at it. It's going to do you pretty well, I can guarantee you that. Then we got VT, Vanguard Total Stock Market ETF. Also hit the 52-week high today. Right after the open of the market, it was up, over its 52-week high. And this is something that I own as well, and I'm going to continue to swing trade and hold for the long term. I mean, it's the total stock market. If you look at the history of the market, you can't say it always goes up, but at the end of the day, over the course of time, it's going to be higher than where it was the previous years or decades. Then Active Blizzard, ATVI. This is a stock that I own as well. It's one that I believe in, that I will continue to swing trade. It hit its 52-week high today as well, and as you can see in my Robinhood account, I'm up 10% on this on the position that I have at Active Blizzard. Then I posted TAN. This is a solar ETF. Solar is really popular with the renewable energies and all that type of stuff. Also hit its 52-week high. This is a position I own in several different my brokerages. In the position I own in my Robinhood portfolio, I'm up 26% on this position. So this is something I'll also keep swing trading, steady adding to my position, steady, building to it, just accumulating more shares of this position as well. Then I just posted some gains I had early this morning around 8:30. In this account, currently when I posted this is $4,174.40. Now this is all house money. This is all gains. I've swing traded in and out of this account, and I have no personal personal capital, no principal of my own in this account here. This is strictly just stocks that I've made gains off, that I've done house money trades on. And as you can see, it's doing very well for itself. It's up 25.36%, $844.56. Sorry about that. Then my Moomoo account. This is the account that I swing trade out of. They do not offer fractional shares. So what I do is buy positions, let them sit for a little while, then I'll sell out my principal. So as you can see for this one, I'm up $9.24. So basically, I have two stocks at $17.27. They're worth $43.78. So basically what I'll do is pull out the $34 or so that I have in the stock, and I'll leave that $9.24 in the market. I won't be purchasing that $9.24 back in Moomoo because it doesn't offer fractional shares, so I'll purchase it like in Robinhood, Stash, Cash App, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, you know, somewhere like that, my public account, something that offers fractional shares. So BP is doing really well for me here on this brokerage. Then I just posted a little screenshot of one of my private accounts. In the last 3 months, I'm up $2,421.62. It's up 23.43%. This is not a house money play here. This is basically a long-term portfolio that I have. Then I posted Upstart Holdings. This is something I posted yesterday on the watch list. It's a stock I talked about yesterday. You can check out the video if you want to look at it. And you know, it ran up today another 5%. So if anybody took my advice and got into it, you made some money. You could have shaved profits, or you could have stayed in. It's something I'm going to hold for the long term. Then we have Snap. Snap ran up today another 5% early this morning. I'm up 99% on this position for Snap. I got in this a little while back, and you know, with the pandemic and everything, social media and online stuff has been a huge craze, so of course I'm up pretty big on that one. And this is one of my IRA accounts, a small IRA account in my stash app. As you can see, I'm up 33.16%. I made $84.57, and these aren't house money trades either. These are just long-term holds. My biggest gainer is Upwork. As you can see, I'm up 181.22%. It's a very small position of Upwork, but then again, you know, it really doesn't matter because it's just going to keep going up over time, basically. Then this is my stash account, which I do house money trading. Everything in this account at the moment is house money. My house money stocks are doing pretty well. They're over 7%. And I've had gains over $350. This is a nice gainer I have in my stash account. It's up, you know, 51%. I've made $23 off this position. I got $45 worth of house money in this stock so far. You know, this is something I've swing traded in the past, and as you can see, it just rides out on free stock. I mean, it's just making gains, and that's a position I'll steady add to as well. Then this is my Upwork. It's doing pretty well. This is my Acorns. I swing trade out of my Acorns as well. I put money in Acorns, wait 30-90 days, pull out my principal, and then leave my gains in there. So this is all house money as well. $789.98. It's up 3%. You know, it's made an extra $171.50. I just recently pulled out all my principal out of all of my brokerages, so most of these are just, you know, house money basically at this point. Then I posted IAC. I was looking into it. I seen Vanguard bought, you know, $829 million worth of this stock, and BlackRock bought up $500 million of it. So this is something I added to my portfolio today, and this is something I'll get into anytime you see Vanguard, BlackRock, ARK Invest, stuff like that, once you see them guys just buying up a stock, it's good to take a look into it. Look at their balance sheets, their fundamentals, their financials. Look at everything you need to look at to determine if this is a good company, something you want to get into. You can look at the technical analysts as well, and look at the supports and resistance and all that stuff. So I took a look into it. I like what I seen, and I see why they bought in. So I jumped in this position as well. Well, I will jump in this position. I actually don't own any right now. It's new to my watch list. So then I just posted some ETFs, which are all Vanguards. These are also VWO. Let's see if I add that to my list. Sorry, 1 second. Okay, yeah. Go ahead and add that one as well. I like to invest in the Vanguard ETFs. They always, do pretty good for me. So these are all just going to be, I was on that twice. It's all going to be just ETFs. Of course, there goes VEA again. And BlackRock as well. Some BlackRock ETFs. BlackRock's done well for me as well in the past. So I like to invest in their ETFs. Not all of them, but the ones I like, I'm going to invest in. Like science, technology, some bond trust, stuff like that. So those are just some nice ETFs that I just added to my watch list here today that I'll be getting into. Then I was looking at the technicals on this company, PDCO, Patterson Companies. I didn't look at the financials or anything. I just looked at the technical chart, and it's in a bullish reversal right now. So once it breaks out, I'll be jumping into this one as well. PDCO. I don't know why it's not saying I can check it out. Yeah, need to add that. So yeah, that's something I'm going to jump on as soon as it breaks out and ride that momentum up, and then sell out of it. Then I was looking at some S&P 500 stocks. Some that are taking a hit. If you see my video yesterday, NCLH, I actually bought into that yesterday, and I own some Carnival Cruise, so I'll be grabbing some more of that since it's beaten down. These are bounce back plays in my opinion. FTI and Oxy will be new to my portfolio, so I will try to swing those and add some positions. Then just quick glance at some of the price movements I had today. As you can see, I had 10 price movements. Lulu, iPod, Blink Charging, NNDM, Fastly, they were all up today. So I was just making gains. So you can kind of look at the tickers that I'm investing in and kind of see, where my head is at. Then I had 9 more price movements. Bully, Billy, Datadog, FSR, Tesla, T-Doc, and as you can see, all these were on the rise as well. Then I posted my Robinhood account again. I got some more gains. It's up 25%, $861. Then this here is Litecoin. This is in my Robinhood account. I do invest in crypto. So with Litecoin, I'm up 113%. So I'm up a total of $109 on Litecoin. So I put in, let me see, 109, 102, 206. So I put in about $97, and that $97 has made another 109, which is now 206. So Litecoin is doing very well for me at the moment. Of course, it ran up with Bitcoin. This here is my Webull account. This is all house money except for one share of Hyliion that I just bought 2 days ago. So minus 1 share of Hyliion. Everything here is house money. As you can see, beside the Roth IRA, the one at the bottom here is long term, but the one in the middle here is up $210, 20%. Minus Hyliion, 1 share of Hyliion. That's all house money. Just stocks that I'm letting ride out. But as you see, as in a whole, I'm up 25%, $276.95. So that's some nice games there in my Webull account. Then I've posted my stash again. At this point, it went up again, $359, up 7.3%. My IRA went up some more. It went up to $86, almost 34%. Upwork went up as well. It went up some more. My Tesla, this is in my Cash App. My Tesla went up. This here will show you that small investments can actually add up to something. And I own, just in my Robinhood alone, I own over 500 positions. So sometimes you'll see me make a small investments, or I'll swing trade. I only get like $1 profit, and like I tell people, it's cool because it all adds up. If I do 500 swing trades, or I think last month I did 465. If I make $1 on all those, that's $465 that I've gained in free shares, free fractional shares. Why not lose any principal at all? So here, as you can see on my Tesla, this is something I swing traded as well, and I made a $14 profit. And I bought that. I spent that $14 on my Cash App of my profit, and that $14 has turned into $102.60. So I made $88.60 off of just $14, which of course is Tesla. So Tesla is is a unicorn, but it's just an example of how small a little bit of small money can actually, some double digit can turn into triple digit, so on and so forth. This is my public account. This is house money as well. I believe I bought something yesterday I can't exactly remember, but anyway, $1,700 and $1,785.65. It's up almost 25%. It's up over $350. So the public account's doing very well as well. And then here, I just posted this screenshot. It says I was up $860 in the past hour. It's just kind of like a glitch, so I just screenshot and posted it. It looks nice. Then I posted some iShare ETFs. The Russell 2000 ETF, which the Russell 2000 has been killing it. That thing is probably going to have a pull down soon. And when it does, I'll be buying this ETF and buying that dip. Then we got emerging Market ETF. These are all iShare ETFs. I like iShare as well. So these will be the ones that I'm going to get into this month. We got a Treasury bond. Some more. We got IVV. This is the S&P. This one's going to do very well as well. Then I got some international exposure, like to Brazil. This one has like European, Australia, stuff like that. High corporate bonds. So something safe that also give it a high yield. Then some more emerging markets. So yeah, those are just some ETFs that I'm going to get into. Then I posted this gold stock here. This is something I'm going to GDXU. This is something I'm going to get into. I like to always have the most exposure I can to precious metals. I do own physical gold as well as gold stocks and stuff like that. So like I said, it's always something I'm trying to swing trade and up my position on. Then I posted LEG. I was looking at this one, and it's a dividend chance, constant growing dividends for over 25 years. So this is one I'm wanting to build my position in. It's something I don't own, and it's something new to my watch list. And those dividends are really great, and it's like an 11% yield or so. And it's just something I'm going to grab. It's always nice to have some nice dividends to pay you. Then this here I posted 35 minutes ago. In the past year, I'm up $864, or almost 26% here in my Robinhood. This here is my Charles Schwab. I just purchased a fractional share of Fitbee. It's a Fifth Third Bancorp for a nice little swing trade. So whatever I profit out of this, I'll take that profit and buy it into another brokerage. And then I just made a deposit into my Robinhood. So as you can see, it says in the past 24 hours I'm up $308. $236 of that was actually a deposit I just made. And these would be the this is the first position I bought, right? And then the next position I bought was Nikola. I just bought $1 worth of Nikola. I do own Nikola and two other brokerages. One is down like 68%. The other's down like 10%. It's been really beaten down. Nikola is probably something I shouldn't touch, but you know, I'll give them a small amount. $1 isn't nothing. It probably won't do anything, but I'm gonna try it out and see if I can't, you know, make something happen with it. Then I bought $2 of Workhorse. This is something I took a loss on last month, trying to swing trade it. So I thought I'll try again, but I just put something really small because last time I lost a pretty good amount of what I put in because it's beaten down. I know it'll bounce back. Don't know exactly when. It's still in a bearish state, so you know, I just put a little small amount on it. And this here is just some gains I posted last 3 months. Now I'm up $2,400 or 24 cents, $2,424. So I'm up 23% there on that account. And that'll be it, guys, for today's video. I'll make another video going over these 3 stocks that I just purchased, kind of breaking them down a little bit more with some analytics and some news and stuff like that. And then of course I do trade 7 days a week, so I will be posting those trades as well. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. You're more than welcome to leave a comment. Subscribe if you want to follow my journey, stuff like that, all that good stuff. I'll see you guys in the next one.